Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel Langlead Guide. Let's discuss some important MCQs on the topic types of sentences according to their function. But before starting, share this video with your friends and subscribe if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's go on to the MCQs. Question number 1. Assertive sentences are also called dash dash sentences. The options are A. Declarative, B. Interrogative, C. Affirmative, or D. Imperative. The correct option is A. Declarative. Question number 2. Assertive sentences are used to make dash dash. The options are A. Appeal, B. Request, C. Statements, or D. Questions. The correct option is C. Statements. Question number 3. Dash dash sentences are used to give information, report, event, expression, an opinion, or make a promise. The options are A. Interrogative, B. Assertive, C. Imperative, or D. Exclamatory. The correct option is B. Assertive. Question number 4. Affirmative and negative sentences are the subtypes of dash dash sentences. The options are A. Interrogative, B. Assertive, C. Imperative, or D. Interrogative. The correct option is B. Assertive. Question number 5. When a statement declares what happened, what was said or done is called dash dash sentence. The options are A. Imperative, B. Interrogative, C. Affirmative, or D. Negative. The correct option is C. Affirmative. Question number 6. If a sentence states what did not happen, what was not said or done is called a dash dash sentence. The options are A. Affirmative, B. Important, C. Interrogative, or D. Negative. The correct option is D. Negative. Question number 7. Affirmative sentences are changed into negative by adding not between dash dash. The options are A. Main verb and adjective, B. Main verb and preposition, C. Main verb and noun, or D. Auxiliary verb and main verb. The correct option is D. Auxiliary verb and main verb. Question number 8. If an affirmative sentence does not contain an auxiliary verb, to make negative, primary auxiliary dash dash is used according to person, number, and tense of the sentence. The options are A. Be, B. Shall, C. Have, or D. Do. The correct option is D. Do. Question number 9. In imperative sentences, the negative is formed by putting dash dash at the beginning of the sentence. The options are A. Is not or isn't, B. Do not or don't, C. Are not or aren't, or D. Cannot or can't. The correct option is B. Do not or don't. Question number 10. In imperative sentences, the negative is formed by putting do not at the beginning of the sentence before the dash dash. The options are A. Auxiliary verb, B. Main verb, C. Object, or D. Subject. The correct option is B. Main verb. Question number 11. The contracted forms of auxiliary verbs are commonly used in dash dash English. The options are A. Informal and spoken, B. Formal and spoken, C. Informal and written, or D. Formal and written. The correct option is A. Informal and spoken. Question number 12. What type of sentences end with a question mark? The options are A. Imperative, B. Interrogative, C. Affirmative, or D. Exclamatory. The correct option is B. Interrogative. Question number 13. Interrogative sentences are used to ask questions or make dash dash. The options are A. Inquiries, B. Request, C. Appeal, or D. Demand. The correct option is A. Inquiries. Question number 14. What are the two subtypes of interrogative sentences? The options are A. Simple and difficult, B. Formal and informal, C. WH and yes no, or D. Easy and difficult. The correct option is C. WH and yes no. Question number 15. Yes no questions always begin with dash dash verb. The options are A. Transitive, B. Intransitive, C. Auxiliary, or D. Main. The correct option is C. Auxiliary. Question number 16. What is the position of the subject in yes no type question? The options are A. After auxiliary or second, B. Before auxiliary or initial, C. Final, or D. After main verb. The correct option is A. After auxiliary or second. Question number 17. What kind of answer do we get through WH questions? The options are A. Indefinite, B. Ambiguous, C. Vague, or D. Detailed and specific. The correct option is D. Detailed and specific. Question number 18. Dash dash sentences are used to give orders, instructions, to make a request, and to give advice. The options are A. Imperative, B. Interrogative, C. Assertive, or D. Declarative. The correct option is A. Imperative. Question number 19. Generally, imperative sentences start with dash dash. The options are A. Preposition, B. Modal auxiliary, C. A verb or let, or D. Primary auxiliary. The correct option is C. A verb or let. Question number 21. In imperative sentences, the subject dash dash is always implied. The options are A. She, B. You, C. He, or D. I. The correct option is B. You. Question number 22. Imperative sentences begin with let, which expresses dash dash. The options are A. Direct order, B. Indirect order, C. Direct suggestion, or D. Indirect suggestion. The correct option is D. Indirect suggestion. Question number 23. What type of sentences are used to express pain, surprise, joy, sorrow, admiration, or pity? The options are A. Assertive, B. Exclamatory, C. Interrogative, or D. Imperative. The correct option is B. Exclamatory. Question number 24. Exclamatory sentences end with a dash dash. The options are A. Full stop, B. Inverted comma, C. Question mark, or D. Exclamation mark. The correct option is D. Exclamation mark. Question number 25. Exclamatory sentences can either begin with dash dash or have the structure of an assertive sentence. Options are A. Which or when, B. Where or when, C. How or what, or D. Where or how. The correct option is C. How or what. Question number 26. Negative of the sentence, the plane took off from this runway, is dash dash. The options are A. The plane did not take off from this runway, B. The plane does not take off from this runway, C. The plane will not take off from this runway, or D. The plane did not took off from this runway. The correct option is A. The plane did not take off from this runway. Question number 27. Negative of the sentence, she works in the garden, is dash dash. The options are A. She does not work in the garden, B. She did not work in the garden, C. She is not working in the garden, or D. She does not work in the garden. The correct option is D. She does not work in the garden. Question number 28. They like traveling is a dash dash type of sentence. The options are A. Affirmative or assertive or declarative, B. Affirmative or negative or declarative, C. Interrogative, or D. Imperative. The correct option is A. Affirmative or assertive or declarative. Question number 29. Assertive or declarative or affirmative or negative sentences usually end with a dash dash. The options are A. Full stop, B. Inverted comma, C. Question mark, or D. Exclamation mark. The correct option is A. Full stop. Question number 30. Does Ishan play the sitar is a dash dash type of sentence. The options are A. Exclamatory, B. Imperative, C. Interrogative, or D. Assertive. The correct option is C. Interrogative. Question number 31. Open the door is a dash dash type of sentence. The options are A. Exclamatory, B. Imperative, C. Interrogative, or D. Assertive. The correct option is B. Imperative. Question number 32. What a wonderful performance is a digest type of sentence. The options are A. Exclamatory, B. Imperative, C. Interrogative, or D. Assertive. The correct option is A. Exclamatory. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.